In the last 24 hours, we've had 66 earthquakes throughout the whole earth. 66 earthquakes. The last one was a 2.2 in Hawaii at 6:35 a.m. this morning. We have a whole lot of 2.2s, 2.4s. Lar, Iran, had a 5.3, 2:40 a.m. this morning. In Iran, a 5.3. A 4.8 in Russia at 1:06 a.m. A 4.8 in Russia. Vostok, Russia. A 5.0 in Mexico at 12:59 a.m. No tsunami warning. Two 2.9s, 3.2, 4.5, 66. We had a 5.8 in Sula, Venusia. Earthquakes from around the world. Earthquakes on the earth. Venusia had 3, which is a 5.8, 5.1, and a 5.9. Alaska has earthquakes pretty frequently. This is a list of all the earthquakes from around the world. Afghanistan had a 5.1. Colombia, the country of Colombia, had a 4.3 in the last 24 hours. Japan had a 4.7 earthquake. As we see, earthquakes are very active. Y'all stay safe out there for me, please. Share this video. This is a list right here of 66 earthquakes we've had in the last 24 hours.